Hello everyone, the following shows you the cutting and sewing application of ultrasonic lathe machine. The ultrasonic lathe machine transmits ultrasonic waves from the flour wheel to the fabric welding surface through high-frequency vibration, prompting the fabric molecules to quickly rub and dissolve. In this way, the cutting and sewing of materials can be realized, and the melting and cutting surface is smooth without burrs or loose edges. The matching flour wheel can be used for straight line or curve cutting, welding and sewing processing. Our ultrasonic sewing machine can directly weld the welding surfaces of various materials, and at the same time perform trimming, hole and printing processing, so that the product can be formed in one go. It is commonly used in clothing, toys, home furnishing and packaging industries, helping you to easily improve production efficiency and product quality. Learn more, please follow me.